Okay, so you want to become profitable in 2022 and stop losing your trades. Let me show you exactly how to do this. In this video today, I'm going to share with you 6 reasons why you are still losing in your trading. And by the end of this video, I will share with you what you can do to change that and start becoming a profitable trader. Now, the main thing why you're losing is because of emotions. And we'll talk about emotions first and how it actually links up to everything else that's on this board now. If you are losing, then bear with me, watch this video all the way through and see if it's going to help you in your trading. Now, emotions, what do I talk about when I say emotion in trading? Well, emotion is greed and fear. Greed part is where you're trying to capture that little extra bit of money out of each trade, instead of just taking profits at a good area and banking those profits. And then we have fear of losing the profit and fear of losing out by not catching that trade. Now myself, this is something that hit me bad with emotions in trading when I started trading, and I was having the fear of losing out, especially not capturing the trade. This would make me feel angry. Now, if this is the same as you, I would get frustrated and angry by missing out that good trade. Now, of course, there is ways around this, and we'll talk about that later in this video. But right now, I want to discuss why these things on the board can cause your emotions to get worse. Now, the next one we'll look at is overtrading. Overtrading is when you're looking to always be in the market. As soon as you've taken a trade, instead of walking away and looking through this trade why you won or why you lost, or even why it's just a break-even trade, you're straight in the market trying to take another trade. Wrong. Please do not do that. Overtrading is the worst thing you could do, because you're going to start feeling like you're invincible and that you can take a winning trade after a winning trade, and it's not going to happen like that. Take a trade, step back, have a look at the trade, see why it's a good trade or a bad trade, and then focus on your strategy and make sure that you're sticking to the rules, and then your next trade is because it's a good setup, not because you want to take another trade. So overtrading can cause emotion in trading, because if you're overtrading, it can cause you to start losing more trades, affect your emotions, and then you're going to lose more in the long run. Now, the big part I find is that many people have bad money and risk management. What do I mean by this? Let's say you are trading at a 5 or even a 10% risk per trade. Now that to me is just way too high. And if you revenge trade, which is affected with your emotions, with overtrading as well, and what I mean by that is you take a trade, you take a loss, you're angry, you take another trade, but you double up your risk. So let's say you're taking a 5% risk trade, you then lose and you take another trade at 10% thinking I'm going to win all that money back. That doesn't work, I'm telling you now, and you'll lose more and more, and eventually you'll blow your account. So risk management is crucial to your success in trading. Remember, trading is a business. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, which many people believe it's all about the money and making money in trading, but it's definitely not. Remember, it's a business. With good risk money management, you will succeed in the long run. So we have a couple of things left. Let's look at strategy. Now, strategy, why are you losing in the market with a bad strategy? That's simple. You know the strategy is not working and you're going to lose, and then you're going to revenge trade. It's going to affect your emotions, as simple as that. But what about if you have a strategy that's working, but you're still losing long term? Now, what this could be, doesn't matter what strategy it is, whether it's a supply and demand strategy, price action trading, trend line break strategy, it doesn't matter. But if your strategy is working and it's a good strategy for getting you into the market and a good strategy that can give you good profits, but you're still losing, what could be causing this? Emotions and bad risk management. If you have a great strategy but you're still losing, it's because your emotions are affecting your trades. You're not sticking to the plan, you're not sticking to your trade rules. You have bad risk management, and this causes you to lose over time. It doesn't matter what the strategy is. If the strategy is working good but you have bad risk management and your emotions are affected, this is going to cause you to lose. Now, I've been through all this myself, so this is why I'm sharing this in this video. And I just want to apologize for the sun keep changing the shade on the camera in case you're noticing that. But let's keep going forward. The strategy I use is now a supply and demand trading strategy. Now, for me, it is the best type of strategy to start using in the markets because you can follow along with the banks. Of course, if you want to learn more on the type of strategy I use, check out the link below in the description of this video, which goes through to those free courses, absolutely free, 2 free courses, one on trend trading and one on the basics of supply and demand. Check them out. You're going to enjoy that free course. Now, there is some paid courses, but I'm not here to talk about those today. I'm here to help you going forward in 2022. Now, timeframes. Why are timeframes causing you to lose in the market? Let's talk about timeframes. Many of you believe the best way to make profits in the markets is trading lower timeframes. I'm not going to disagree there. The lower the time frame you trade, the more profits you're going to make. You can't trade successfully off, let's say, and I'm talking like a higher time frame here of a daily, at least a daily time frame. If you're not making profits and you are losing on a daily time frame, then you've got no reason to go down to a lower time frame yet. You haven't proved to yourself, you haven't proved that your strategy and your emotions are coping with trading a daily time frame. Let me give you this one bit of advice going forward in 2022. If you are losing, start using your strategy on a daily time frame. Start using good risk management. Start making sure your emotions are intact. Then this will all start coming together. And please do not think that you're going to make money in the first month, because you won't. You will lose when you start this business. Use it and treat it as a business. Now, my background, I've had business before. I know how to run a business. So to me, trading became natural, and to run it as a business is what will make you profitable. Make sure that you're not going to be losing in 2022, and you're going to start turning this into a winning, profitable year. Make sure your strategy is working. Now, pick up those free courses you can get right now, links below in the description, and make sure you have good risk management. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It's going to help me to know you are liking this type of content and it's helping you in your trading. And of course, if there's any question regarding any of these sections on this board right now, leave a comment below and I reply to every single comment. So make sure you let me know what it is you want to ask and I can get back to you and we can go forward in 2022. Now, there's also an absolutely free Discord room if you want to join that and see what sort of trades I'm taking through the year. The link for that is below in the description of this video as well. The best thing to do is, if you're starting out in trading, use just the black-white chart combination. It's going to be much better for you, for your emotions and the way you trade the market. Just remember that everything on this board is going to be linked to your emotions in trading. If you're thinking that this is a get-rich-quick scheme, it's going to affect your emotion. Start thinking of this as a business going forward this year. It's going to help with your emotions if you're thinking like a business instead of just a way to make money. Forget about what you see on the internet. Forget about what you see on those social medias where you can make all this money in trading. It's not going to happen in the first year. Now, the links for everything is below in the description of this video. But to help you going forward, I'm going to share with you how one of my paid courses, which is the Forex Masterclass, can help you this year to actually turn your trading around, can help you with your trading emotions. It's going to stop you over trading. It's definitely going to help with your risk management. It's the best in the business. It's going to give you a strategy. In fact, it's going to give you quite a few different strategies you can use in the market with different time frames. It's going to teach you how to trade different strategies on different time frames and how it's going to make you more profitable. And it's definitely going to show you it's a business and not just a get-rich-quick scheme. I do hope this video has helped with your emotions today, but check out this video now popping up, which is going to go through that Forex Masterclass and how you can start using that in 2022.